What's up, guys? It's everyone's favorite Campy here, and in front of me I have the CAA MCK, which is the micro conversion kit with a Glock 19 inside of it. This was actually sent to me to review, both written and on my YouTube channel, and they did not just send me the MCK, they also sent me the deluxe kit that comes with it. So it has the flashlight on the front, it has the iron sights, it has a gas pedal, a bungee sling, and a Crimson Trace red dot. This whole package is very unique, I will say. It has a folding, I don't know what you guys want to call it these days. It's got a fucking folding stock. And it uses a regular Glock 19 or a Glock 17. I believe you can also fit a Glock 21 in it. This front barrel shroud is actually removable, this whole piece, and you can fit a suppressor inside of there. I had this gun in here with a suppressor, but then I ended up having to send the suppressor back. I'm going to have a separate video about this on my Patreon. It's going to be very short, and I'm going to just briefly go over sort of a philosophy of use kind of thing. Alright, folks, enough bullshitting. Let's shoot this fucking thing. You know what? I should probably wear hearing protection. By the way, my 2 cents, this Crimson Trace red dot is bullshit. Ooh, a malfunction. This appears to be a light primer strike, which is no fault of no fault of this system, just so you're all clear, in case you don't know how guns work and shit. A light primer strike has nothing to do with this MCK kit that's on the gun. It has everything to do with the actual gun that's inside of it, which is a Glock 19. I believe I have a Combat Master spring kit in it, so that would explain a light primer strike. Let's continue. That is unique. Another malfunction. Another light primer strike. Glocks are not known for having light primer strikes traditionally, but I do have the Combat Master spring kit in it, so a jam. You know how much them Glocks jam. take those 3 rounds that I had malfunctions with, try them again.